Do you want to know how you can use the dictionary from Elsa Speak? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use the dictionary from Elsa Speak. Go ahead and open Elsa Speak, which is on your phone. Now, what you need to do is go in this button over here, the Discover button, which is right beside the Learn button, which is on the bottom of your screen. You can see the dictionary option over here. Tap on it and there are options from which you can use dictionary. The first is by typing in what you want to search about. So let's search about poodle and press check. You can see that it will give you the definition of the word you have searched for or the sentence you have searched for, and you can even listen to it by pressing in the volume button. And if you want to listen to it in slow version, tap on the snail button. And if you want to practice this, go ahead and tap on the microphone icon, poodle. And you can see that Elsa Speak will judge how much accurate your word pronunciation is, and you can see that it denotes the percentage. And you can tap on try new word and then try pronouncing words from the dictionary. Another type of searching from dictionary is by speaking the word. So if you want to search by speaking, go ahead and tap speak and speak the word or the letter or the sentence or phrase. So go ahead and tap speak. Flabbergasted. Flabbergasted. You can see that the word has been edited and searched. So if you want to see your score, go ahead and tap see my score, and you can see that the percentage is there. So this is the way how you can use dictionary from Elsa Speak. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.